amount of electricity we use each day has been rapidly rising recently. In other words, as the days go by, we use a lot more electricity. Solar panels use PV, which we're probably most familiar with. PV cells on a solar panel capture the energy from the sun's rays as it shines on the panel. In reaction to internal electrical field within the cell, this energy generates electrical charges that move, which results in the flow of electricity. Common issues: dirty panels, solar panel shading, and panel orientation. Introducing REPS. Researchers raised the level of portability and efficiency of the commercially available solar panels. Its design helps users easily transport in case of emergency, fix and install the solar panels with ease and with less risks of damage. This will benefit a lot of people since the demand of or alternative energy is high and the use of solar panels is one of the most used energy harvesting tools which is eco-friendly and available.